Hello everyone, myself I am Nitya. Today I am going to explain about advertising media. Under that we gonna explain about different advertising media. Before that, let me know the meaning of advertising. Advertising is any paid form of non-personal presentation of ideas, goods and services by identify sponsor. For example, print advertising, digital advertising, etc. The name itself says without doing any payment, advertising can't be done, and the payment is made by the sponsor to the certain advertising company. Next one is means or media of advertising. Under this there are four types of advertising: press advertising, outdoor or mural advertising, direct mail advertising, miscellaneous advertising. Under press advertising there are two types: newspaper, magazines and journal. Outdoor or mural advertising. Under this there are four types: poster, boards, electric display, bus and train advertising. Next one is direct mail advertising. The name itself says it is directed advertising. That is circular, envelope card, price list, catalog, personal letters, booklets. We all of us know circular. Circular means any information which is passed to the n number of people. For example, in our college, if we conduct any event, that information is passed by the principal to all other students. That is called circular. Next one is prize list. Suppose if you go to any mall and if you participate any game and we win, then the prize list will be displayed. Next one is personal letters. Personal letter is a letter which is sent by one person to the another person. Next one, booklet. We all of us know what is the meaning of booklet. Next one is miscellaneous advertising. Miscellaneous advertising is nothing about mixed advertising. Under that we see radio and television, cinema and cinema slides, fairs and exhibition, loudspeakers. Next one is press advertising. Under press advertising, newspaper have a general and wide appeal among the people. Yes, of course, newspaper reach each and every nook and corner, so their coverage is high. Repeat advertising is possible. Yes, of course, in newspaper, repeat advertising is possible. Periodical change in size and content is easy. While reading newspaper, we can get the content very easy and it will be catchy for the audience who read the newspapers. Newspapers are the best source of market information. Yeah, in newspaper even we get the information about the job fairs which is conducted in different places. Next, if we have any advantage, of course there will be disadvantage too. Newspaper have short span of life. Yes, the material is very thin so that it has a short span of life. Illiteracy affect its utility. Yes, people who are uneducated, they are unable to read the newspapers. Next one is outdoor or mural advertising. Mural advertising has long life. It is an oldest advertising and it's still existing in India. It can attract attention of a large section of people. Of course, if you advertise anything in the road or anywhere, there are large number of people and hence it will attract them. It could be used locally, regionally or even national. Yes, outdoor advertising can be used even in rural areas, urban areas and even in semi-urban areas too. Low cost. Well, advertising it requires low cost. Flexibility is present. As and when we want to change any situation, there is a flexibility. Next, disadvantage. It has been brief. Detailed explanation is not possible. Yeah, it will be so brief, so the time take will be more. It could be used only as a supplementary form to other kinds of ad. We know what is the meaning of supplementary. For example, for milk the supplementary is the coffee powder. So for any advertisement, mural advertising will act as supplementary but it won't act as main role. Next one is direct mail advertising. As I said, the name itself says it is directed towards. It is the personal and selective media. Yeah, it is not a non-personal, it is a personal where we can share each and everything with the person whom we like about the advertising. It is sent by mail, including sales letters, folders, and pamphlets. Yes, we know what is the meaning of pamphlets. If we go to any college or any university, they used to give a pamphlet about their college, their activities, and their examination. That is called pamphlets. It is economical. Yeah, of course, it is economical because it is the personal and selective media. If it is non-personal, means then it will be social. It is directly addressed to the prospective consumers. Yes, direct mail advertising is addressed only for the certain customers and not for all the customers. Next, we look up to the disadvantage. It is not cheap as postal charges are high. Yes, of course, the postal charges will be high because if they want to send any mail from one state to another state, means it includes more charges. Next point is the preparation of a proper mailing list is not an easy job. Of course, if you want to prepare any mail, means it does not stop with only one step. It takes more than 5 steps. That it takes more time. It has proved to be ineffective in case of product which need personal examination. Yeah, if you want to send any mail regarding income tax or birth registration list, it takes more time and the personal examination is needed. Without any personal examination, it is difficult. Next one is miscellaneous advertising. Yeah, miscellaneous advertising means mixed advertising. It includes film advertising, radio advertising, television advertising. Film advertising as a wide appeal. Of course, each and every person used to see the film. Audio visual technique has maximum impact on audience. The pitch and sound enables the audience to listen the movie. Sound and sight both are employed for communicating the message. Yeah, in this film advertising, not only through ears, even we can see through eyes and ears. So it takes two major place. Next one is radio advertising. Radio advertising uses only an audio signal. Yeah, in radio advertising there is no visual image, so it takes only audio signal. Spoken word has greater impact than written word. Yeah, the illiterate people can't understand the written word, so if they spoken word they can understand. It can secure dealer support. Next one is television advertising. Under the television advertising, it uses both video and audio signal. It has the advantages of radio, namely sound and explanation, plus additional advantages of sight. Product can be demonstrated with explanation. Not only the single product, they can take more than 5 products and they can explain about their designation, about their product style, product size and product image, what qualities they can produce, like that. Next one is disadvantage of film advertising. Film advertising. The cost to advertise at a movie theater is high. Let's think about the movie Bahubali. It is a great blockbuster movie. To advertise that movie, they would have taken more than 10 lakhs. It find especially difficult for a small business. Of course, for the small business, it takes it will be very difficult as the fund also very less. Radio advertising. It has short lifespan, distraction, no visual involvement. Only through ears we can't listen each and everything. Even if we have an eye contact, we can see what the things and all happening around us. Television advertising. It is expensive. Audience size is not assured. Yeah, nowadays people are using smartphones more than TVs. So the number of watching peoples are reduced in TV advertising. Next one is industrial advertising. It is the main topic we're gonna see about. Meaning of industrial advertising. Industrial advertising is the strategy of attracting the attention of another business and convincing that company to purchase the goods and services offered by another business. Yes, let me give one good example. Strategy is nothing but planning. As in, there are 3 persons. First person is WhatsApp, second person is TikTok, third person is Instagram. TikTok is an merchant broker. WhatsApp is a merchant broker, TikTok is an businessman, and Insta is also a businessman. WhatsApp convinces TikTok to purchase the goods and services from the Instagram. So what WhatsApp is doing means it is convincing TikTok to purchase all the goods and services. So if it purchases means even it is beneficial for both Insta as well as for TikTok also, but the main benefit is for WhatsApp. Under this, there are two types of industrial advertising. First one is print media, second one is direct marketing. Under print media, it includes business magazines, trade publications, newspaper, technical journals, etc. As I said, newspaper plays a nook and corner in this world, so it coverages is high. Business magazines, yeah, if any person plays a major role in their business, they will put their status in business magazines. Visual image of the ad should be very sharp and prominent. Yeah, the ad should be very sharp. It should not be so distractions for the audience. It should be impressive. Yeah, once if the audience saw that ad means they should get impressive and they should not distracted by any other images. It should be simple to read. Yeah, the words should be simple to read and it should not be very brief. The ad should reflect the company image. Once if they see the company's image, they should come to know, oh, this image belongs to this company. For example, Infosys has separate symbol and Wipro has separate symbols. If the audience see that image, they should come to know, yeah, this company is about this, like that. The ad should be in the logical sequence. Yeah, of course, it should be in the step-by-step process and it should not be in mathematical process. Headline should be catchy and suiting the product image. Headline should be easy and it should be understandable by the each and every person. The picture shown should not be irrelevant with the product. If any ad comes, that ad should be relevant to that product. It should not be irrelevant and it should not be distracted any customers. And finally, at the bottom of the page, the company name, address and phone number of respected office should be mentioned clearly without fail. Yeah, in this, let me give a good and suitable example. In every newspaper and in every financial year, that is April to March, the company's balance sheet is displayed in a newspapers. Under that, they have to give their company address and the phone number. Next one is direct marketing. Under direct marketing, we have direct mail, telephonic advertising, online advertising, participating in trade shows, trade exports and films. Direct mail is the mail which is sent by one person to another person. Telephonic advertising is nothing but calling up of the customers on the telephones and giving messages. For example, if you don't have any jobs and if you book on Naukri or .com, they will get the information. The company members get the information and they will call us and they will tell, here there is a job offer and you can come and join, like that. That is called telephonic advertising. Next is online advertising. Yeah, let me give one suitable example. If you want to watch any video in YouTube, we will be watching continuously. In middle of that, we used to get separate advertisement regarding certain products with different celebrities. Next one is the advertisers also use other ways of promoting their products, like participating in trade shows, trade exports and fairs. We all of us know what is mean about trade exhibition. Trade exhibitions means introducing their new product and introducing their new services and discovering the new ideas. It is nothing but exhibition, so people can come from various places and they can attract. Yeah, it is diagrammatically shown below. Without these sources of media advertising, the industrial market or companies will not able to sustain in the market. Yeah, of course, print media and direct marketing are the two main pillars which play in the industrial advertising. For example, print media is the media which is nothing but all newspaper, magazines, online advertising. Even both marketing includes various types of advertising. So without one media also, the industrial market won't run. Conclusion. Thus, the companies can use any or every type of advertising. The important motto begin increases in sales, producing best quality products, maintaining good relations with the customers and achieving their desired goal. Of course, their main motto will be achieving their desired goal. Not only their company, but even those are the companies which are mingling or which are coordinating with, they will think even their company should also achieve the goal. Thank you.